How to connect WTGPS M. Step 1. We have a matching container. You have to connect the container to the sensor. Place the antenna outside. Step 2. Open the host computer software. Enter the model WTGPS M in the search bar and select search port. There are two types of connection next. Automatic connection. If the port pops up automatically, just select the port to connect. Manual connection. If the port does not pop up, you need to click the plus sign to display the port and select the port to connect. If the port cannot be connected, you can try another port. After the connection is successful, you will see the date on each page.